Sunita Aneja, and look what L'Oreal has sent me today. They have sent me this beautiful red clutch with an embellishment of L'Oreal Paris written over here. So as you see in the back, it's written less is more. And let me walk you through this beautiful bag. As you can see, L'Oreal Paris Rouge Signature has launched 12 new sunset shades in nudes, pinks, plums and reds, and these are all here. And as I'm wearing one, you can just see how weightless matte formula it has and how great it looks. So basically they have this intense rich color, but if you're the one who doesn't like to go with much of like feeling heavy with your lips and all, these shades are perfect for you. I'll be showing you the swatches of these shades too. And they are really warm toned and perfect for your Indian skin tone. Thank you. Shade number 127, I Vibrate, a perfect sunset shade, warm toned and complements any skin tone. Better for daytime as well as nighttime. 28, I Decide, I Make My Own Rules, a brighter hue of pink which perfectly suits any complexion, whether it is the lighter tones or the darker tones. Basically, the shade is perfect for your festive and ceremony wear. 29, I Lead. This is a great shade with a browner undertone which gives it a little milder shade. And this is good for office wear and looks very subtle and classy. A good rosy pink shade for your work. Shade number 130, I Amaze. A shade with a pink undertone and the one which looks crazy orange and makes you look very good and flattering on the days you don't feel confident enough but you want to make a loud fashion statement. 131, I Captivate, a captivating shade for the days you want to make a clear, loud statement out there. This is a dark plum shade with undertones of berry as well as plum. And it looks great with smoky eyes as well as when you want to wear black and grey outfits. 05, I Rule. Shade number 114, I Refresh. Shade number 126, I Lead. Shade number 126, I Play. Shade number 116, I Explore. Shade number 113, I Captivate. Shade number 128, I Decide. Shade number 103, I Enjoy. Shade number 127, I Vibrate. Shade number 130, I Amaze. Shade number 115, I'm Worth It. So these are all the beautiful shades of L'Oreal Paris Rouge Signature.